Good morning everyone, so we're looking at a bit of a sort of I think this is a bit of a newer brand called Zeiger. There's a little bit of sort of grey area with this one, because when I took it out of the cellophane, it said it was designed in America, made in China. I believe the made in China bit, but then when I look at the website for Zeiger, I feel like it's a German brand, so I'm not too sure. If you know, drop a comment, because I'm not too sure myself. So let's have a little look at this one. So initial look at the box, we've got a sort of a very long, thin style box. Follows a similar sort of style as an infantry watch, and so does the actual watch, funny enough, today. So this is the Zeiger Military 45 we're looking at today. Simple folding lid to reveal a very, very similar to infantry style watch. Full manual inside there, and just a nice pouch to hold that watch in. So here we go guys, this is the Zeiger Military 45mm with a 40mm case thickness and retails at £22, so it's not too expensive. It's only a very light watch, probably around about 50 grams if not less, and uses a Japanese quartz movement. So there's a lot, that's according to the Amazon specs. So there's lots of, if it is designed in America, made in China, uses Japanese parts, it's quite a sort of worldwide watch really, uses components from everywhere. So let's have a look at the dial. So the dial is a plain black finish style dial there, fully luminous increments, fully luminous hands, fully luminous number system as well, and a date dial just sitting down next to the 3 PM. The watch itself is waterproof to 3 ATM. You can hear that ticking away. It's not something I usually look for in a watch, but all the same. And it doesn't quite line up with the increments as well as I might hope, but £20 is £20, so it's you can expect what you pay for. Very, very simple dial, simple red hand, just add a bit of colour. So coming up to the bezel, we've got an IP plated case, so iron plated, which means it's quite scratch resistant. Sorry, not scratch resistant, doesn't fade very well. Won't fade as much as you think. Full iron plating going around the side. Come around to the crown. Small, simple stainless steel crown. Very cheap to operate. Quite flimsy when you're moving it around the face. Love to see it with the first position. It sounds quite crunchy as well. And the actual movement of that dial is a little bit hit and miss. So the crown sometimes slips back into the normal position, which means it's not as well as you might hope. There's even a bit of reverse play as well on that crown. Coming to the strap, you've got a 22mm nylon strap with a tang buckle here. Around the back, again stainless steel back plate as well. Says it's a sports watch with limited edition Japanese movement, as you can see here. No easy access points to access that nylon strap. The nylon strap has a simple window system with no sort of metallic parts inside there to prevent stretch, but then sometimes people prefer that because then the stretch allows it to fit on a tighter fit. Two simple nylon holders as well to hold them in place. Both of them are free roaming, and a simple unprinted tang buckle there. So there we go guys, that is the Zeiger Military 45.